Hello. Hi, friends. Can you talk with me? Which topic we completed yesterday? Can you tell which topic we completed yesterday? Can anyone tell to me? Hello. Chat with me. At least you people need to do chat with me. Team, try to chat with me. Please try to chat with me, or you people need to do chat with me. Yesterday, which topic we completed? Yesterday, which topic we finished? Can anyone tell me? Anagram, not only anagram. Coming to the DSA part. Coming to the DSA part, which part we completed? Can you tell Udit, which one we completed? Pre-order, in order, na? In order. Next one, chart with me. Team, at least you people need to chart with me. In order traversal. Next one, pre-order traversal. Next one, post-order traversal. Nearly three traversal we discussed yesterday. Yes or not? In the which part? Trees part, na? In the trees part, we discussed the three things. In order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. This part we discussed here. Fine. Now, in the today's session, let me go through the one basic example which is related to graphs. Let me go through the graphs. Let me go through the graphs. Here I need to go through the graphs itself. For example, try to go through the graph scale. Yeah. So what is a graph? Now we need to go through the graph here. What is graph? Graph is a non-linear data structure. What is a graph? Graph is a non-linear data structure. Fine. Next one. Graph contain what? Nodes, and some people they're calling vertices. And one node may connect to multiple nodes. One node may connect to multiple nodes. Whatever the node we have, that node may connect to multiple nodes. The connecting lines, technically we can call what we call edges. Whatever the connecting lines we have, the connecting lines, technically we can call edges. Fine. So this one we can call the basic definition, which is related to graph. Just like you may feel like a social media is there, na? Like a Facebook. One person may connect with the multiple persons. Now you know the Google Maps. Google Maps. Google Maps also internal implementing what? Graph only. Fine. Now, team, try to say this one. I will show the diagrammatic representation. Go through the diagrammatic representation. Fine. Yeah. Team, can you please draw this one? Here observe this one. Once if you observe this one here, here how many nodes are there? Here how many nodes are there? Please answer. Nodes, at least to chart with me. I'm requesting you people need to chart with me at least. How many nodes are there? A, B, C, D, E. A connected to whom? Reply. A connected to whom? A connected to B, A connected to E. B connected to whom? A. Next one, C. Next one, D. Next one, E. Whatever the B is there, B connected to everyone. Coming to the C connected to whom? B and D. Coming to the D connected to whom? D connected to whom? E. And D connected to E, B, C. E connected to whom? A, B, D. Fine. Team, please draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. So this is the basic diagram which is related to graphs. Do I need to zoom? Friends, do I need to zoom? Is it visible? Is it visible now? Is it visible now? Yes. Please draw the diagram. Everyone, draw the diagram. Team, draw the diagram. I'm requesting you people, please draw the diagram. A connected to B. A connected to B and A connected to E. Anyone completed? Team, does anyone completed? Team, please respond. Anyone completed this one? Yes. Now see this one. Types of graphs. I will let you know types of graphs. How many types of graphs? Team, see this one. Here we have the two types of graphs. One is what is the first one? Directed graph. What is the second one? Here we have the two types of graphs are there. What is the first one? Directed graph. What is the second one? Undirected graph. For example, see this one. A connected to whom? B and D. Clearly we know na. Clearly we know or not. A node contain particular direction. The edge contain particular direction. Then that graph we can call directed graph. Fine. Edge won't contain particular direction. Then that one we can call undirected graph. Team, tell me how many types of graphs? How many types of graphs? Two types of graphs. First one, directed graph. Second one, undirected graph. Now, so what is the directed graph? Edge contain particular direction. Whatever the edge we have, that edge contain particular direction, then that one we can call directed graph. The edge, the line is there, na? The lines we can call the edge. Whatever the lines are there, that line we can call the edge. The edge won't contain any direction. We can call undirected graph. Team, draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, everyone. I'm requesting everyone, please draw the diagram. This is a diagram representing the directed graph. Draw the diagram. First one, directed graph. Second one, whatever the second graph we have, that graph we can call undirected graph. Team, anyone completed? Draw the diagram. I'm requesting you people draw the diagram. Directed graph and undirected graph. The first one is the directed graph. The next one is the undirected graph. Anyone completed? Once completed, give the confirmation to me. Draw the diagram. Udit, I think it will take Udit Sanagara. Udit, the coding will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Drop and join after the 10 to 15 minutes. Udit, join after the 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, drop it, Udit. Fine. Next one. Team, try to go through the another thing here. One more thing is the one matrix representation. We need to go for the one matrix representation. How we need to do the matrix. Yeah, we need to go for the matrix. Here we have the, try to say this one. Here I have the one node, A node. Here we have the B node. And here we have the C node. And here we have the D node. D node. Next one. Here we have the, and here we have the one more node here. What is the node here? Here we have the another node here. What is the node we have here? E node. E node. How many nodes are there? Team, please respond. How many nodes are there? Node 1, node 2, node 2. Next one, node 3, node 4. Next one is the node 5. How these nodes connected internally? Whatever the nodes are there, how these nodes are connected internally? Yes or not? So how we need to place it? How we need to place it? Here I try to say this one. Here A to B, C to D. And here this is which one? A to C, A to C. This one is what? B to D. This one is what? B to D. Next one. This is what? This is what? E. This one we can call the E. Is it a directed graph or undirected graph? Team respond. Is it a directed graph, undirected graph? Yeah. Directed graph or undirected graph? Team respond. It's an undirected graph. Na? Yes. Here one more thing. One more thing is this is also one more connection. This is also one more connection here. Now, how we need to handle it? Now we need to find the matrix. How we need to find the matrix? Here A. Here we need to place the B. We need to place the B here. We need to place the C here. C here. And here we need to place the D here. D here. And here we need to place the E here. Right. Now, try to see this one. Here we need to place the. Here we need to place the what you want to place. A, B, C, C, D. Next one is the, here we have the E. So how we need to frame the matrix? A to A. A to A, answer is what? A to A is any connection now, not only that one. Try to see this one. B calling itself only. Whatever the B is there, B calling itself only. B calling again and again. Fine. Team, try to see this one. Now you need to see this one. Now, here we need to go through the, here, A to A. Any connection between A to A? Does any connection between A to A team? No. No. A to B, any connection? Yes. A to C, any connection? Yes. A to D, any connection? Yes. And A to E, any connection? Tell me. A to E, any connection? No, zero. Coming to the B. Coming to the B to A, any connection? Yes. B to B, yes. Yes. B to C, any connection? No. B to D, any connection? No. And B to E, any connection? No, zero. One. Team, do the C, D, E also. Try to do this one. C, D, E, everything you need to do data. Yeah, I'm requesting you, please go for the C, D, E also. Create the matrix. Do it now. You people need to do it. Complete C, D, E also. Complete the diagram. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone, please complete the diagram. Draw the diagram. I'm requesting everyone, draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. I'm requesting everyone. Shravya, nothing, no need to explain Shravya. Any connection between A to A? Shravya? No. Any connection between A to B? Yes. Any connection between A to C? Yes. Any connection between A to D? Yes. Any connection between A to E? No. Zero. No. Team, draw the matrix for this diagram. I'm requesting you, please draw the matrix for this diagram. B to B, B calling B itself. So that's why B to B is the one. Fine. Team, draw the diagram for this one. Yeah. Can you please draw the diagram for this one? Like create the matrix for this one. It's a different, not the both are not the same. Draw the matrix for this one with the pen and paper and take the photo and share the screenshot to me. Everyone. Everyone, please do it. Team, everyone needed to do it. A, B, C, D, E. Draw the diagram. I need the diagram from you people. Anyone completed? Whoever completed, share the screenshot to me in the mobile phone. Mobile phone, take the screenshot, share to me. Yes, like yes. Anyone completed the matrix diagram? Does anyone completed the matrix diagram? Share the screenshot to me. Whoever completed, share the screenshot to me. Once again, can diagram here. I need the diagram like what do you call matrix diagram. I need the matrix diagram. Matrix so A to A. I need that one. Yogesh, I don't need the same diagram. Why you were drawing that diagram? No, I need the matrix. To who has the connection? A to B or something here. Got it now? Draw the diagram, not diagram. I'm expecting the like a matrix diagram. Yes, this is the right. Wait, can yes, this is the output. A to A 0, A to B 1, A to C 0, A to D 1, A to E 0. Okay, na? Fine. Whoever completed, share the screenshot to me. A to A 0, A to B 1. Yes, right diagram. Right diagram, it's a right diagram. Team, anyone completed? It's an undirected graph. Here clearly representing, na, it's undirected graph. Yogesh, I think you were asking the question, is it a directed or undirected? It's an undirected graph. I'm asking the metrics to you. But without drawing the metrics, you are writing so X, Y, Z. Team, all the people, please send the diagram. Yes. Whoever completed, share it. But active is required, activeness is required. Na? Take the pen and paper. Na? Take the pen and paper. Like, na, take the pen and paper. Mr. Yogesh. Yogesh Nagulkar. Like, na, take the pen and paper, write it, and with the help of mobile, take the screenshot. Okay, fine. Yeah. Team, can I enter with the coding? Can I enter with the coding? Will you people do along with me? Will you people do along with me? Yes. Let me go through the coding itself. No, let me enter with the coding itself. Yeah, here. Yeah. Let me enter with the coding itself. How to create one Java class. Here we need to go for the one compiler. You remove this one. Here we need to create one graph. Try to create the graph. We should be in a position we need to create one graph. How can we create the graph? Team, can you please answer? How can we create the graph? Class, which graph? Graph. Fine. In the graph, create a number of vertices. How to create? Private, private, next one, int v. Now, here we need to take the another thing here. Number of adjacency lists, like how many connections are there? Each vertices contain how many connections. Here we need to place the how we can place it. Private, private which one? List. Private which one? List. So number of connections on one vertices have the number of connections. How we can place it? List. List. And here what we need to do place it here. Here number of connections we need to mention with the integer. Na? We need to mention with the integer. Yes. And here we need to place for adjacent list. Here we need to place the adjacent list. Fine. So team, don't think too much regarding this one here, but try to say this one here. Very simple. Initially, we need to take the number of vertices. V representing the number of vertices. Next one. Each vertices contain multiple connected to the multiple connections, na? Multiple vertices. Na? One node connected to multiple nodes. So to handle that one, we need to take a list. This list internal contain another list here. Finally, we got one variable here. What is that variable? Adjacent list. Fine. Now we need to say this one. How we need to do it? Here we need to take the constructor. Let me take the constructor. How we can take the constructor? Public. Which one we need to take? Graph. And here we need to pass the V. How to map it? We need to map it. This dot V equal to which one? This dot V equal to V. Next one. Here we need to initialize it. Whatever we have, we need to initialize it. Adjacent list equal to new array list. New array list. New array list. Here we need to place the one more thing here. New array list, and here we need to place it. So whatever the, try to see this one, whatever the list, whatever the adjacent list is there, that adjacent list is initialized. Now for the here we need to do it. What we need to do it? We need to add a number of adjacents. Like one vertices contain multiple connections na? To hold that multiple connections, we need to add it. How we need to handle it? We should be in a position we need to handle it. Here, after that, we need to take the for loop. So try to take the for loop here. We should be in a position we need to take the for loop. How we can take the for loop here? For team, let me do it here, then I will explain to you. For int I equal to 0, I less than what you want to place v. Next one, what you wanted to place, I less than v. What you wanted to place, we need to place the I plus plus. Here, how we need to add it? We need to add it adjacent list. Dot which one add? Add. Here, what you wanted to place? Here, we should be in a position. We need to place the new array list. Simply, we need to place new array list here. And automatically we're able to place it. Fine. Team, try to see this one here. We need to see this one here. Very, very important. Initially, we need to take number of vertices. Each vertices means node. This node may connect to number of nodes. To handle it, we need to take what we need to take a list. So this line is used to handle that number of connections, and we need to initialize it dynamically. Next one, this adjacent list, to handle it, we need to take the array list. Let me take the array list. So one vertices may have number of connections. So that's why we need to take this for loop. Fine. Team, just to do it at the end, you can get the clarity here. First of all, do this one here. Do the coding up to now. Please do the coding up to now. Try to see the another thing here. We need to see the now team, see this one. This is the diagram I need to implement. This is the graph I need to implement here. Fine. Team, please draw somewhere else this diagram. Then you people can get the clarity. Please draw the diagram somewhere else. Then you people can get the clarity. You know now, this is the diagram, guys. I hope you can get the clarity like this. Wait here. Here, what kind of diagram I need to draw? Here, what we have? One. Here I have the one. Here I have the which one I have? Two. Here, see this one. Here, which one? Here we have the one. And here I have the 4. Here I have the 4. Here I have the 2. And here we have the 3. Here we have the 3. Next one. Here we have the one more thing here. What we have? Here we have the 0. Now, observe this one. Observe this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, which one? Which one? 0. 0. Now try to see this one. Here, what you wanted to place? Here we need to place this one. Here, what you wanted to place? We need to place this one. And here, what you wanted to place? We need to place like this. And here, what you wanted to place? We need to place like this. Team, draw the diagram. This example I need to implement it. Keep in mind, this is the diagram we need to implement. Everyone draw this one. At least we need to try the coding. Through this one, you can get the clarity. Draw the diagram, then you can get the clarity, team. Team, can I go through the coding? Once completed, then I need to go through the coding. Can I go through the coding? Say yes or no here. Can I go through the coding? Let me go through the coding here. How we need to do the coding here? Fine. Here we need to add the edge. Na? Team, we need to add the edge. So how we can add the edge here? We need to see it. We should be in a position. We need to add the edge here. Say this one here. Here what you wanted to place? Add edge. Add edge. Here we should be in a position. We need to add the edge here. So how we can add the edge here? First of all, we need to get that element and to whom we need to connect. To whom. Now try to say this one. Here to do this one, here we should be in a position public wide. Next one is the add edge. Here we need to go for the one function. The function is the add edge here. And here we should be in a position. We need to go through the one more thing here. Here you need to go for the into u, like from where to where, into v. Meaning is the, here I try to say this one, where to where. Pick this element, connect to this element. Fine. How we need to do it? Edges list dot get what? Get this element. Team, I hope after getting the proper output, then you can get it. Get u. And we need to add what? Particular element. Here to here, we need to provide a connection. Here to here, we should be in a position, we need to provide the connection. Not only this one, sometimes reverse connection also possible. That reverse connection also I need to add it. How we can add? Adjacent list dot get of v. Here we need to place what? Add of u. Unda akkada? Fine. Add of u. Automatically, we are able to add the adjacent connection here. Fine. Team, can you please do this one? I'm requesting you people, please add this one. Everyone create that one. Team, first of all, let me execute it. After executing through the flow, you can get the clarity. No. Anyone finished up to now? And we need to go for the one more example. Try to say this one. Print the graph. I need to print the graph. So how we can print the graph? Fine. To print the graph, here we need to print the graph. How we can print the graph here? Public, public. Now here we need to place void. And here what you wanted to place? Here we need to place a print graph. Public void print graph. Fine. Here what you wanted to place? Here for into I equal to 0. For int into I equal to 0, I less than into I equal to 0, and here we need to place the into I equal to 0. Here we need to place the into I equal to 0, and here we need to place the I less than V. I less than V. Next one is the here we need to place what I plus plus. For int I equal to 0, I less than V. Next one is the I plus plus. Automatically we can place it. Now here we should be in a position we need to place the print it. How we need to print it here? Here print ln print. Here we need to place what you wanted to place vertex. Automatically we can place the column like this also. Fine. Each vertex may connect to multiple vertexes. Na? So can I iterate it? Can I iterate it, team? Why not? We can iterate it. So how we can iterate it? Because one node may connect to multiple nodes also. So how we can iterate it here? For into node colon, what is the variable? I'm not sure. Adjacent list, na? Sure, na? Adjacent list dot which one? Get of I. Each node, like a connector nodes, we will get it. One node may connect to multiple nodes. We may get it here. Here we need to place what you wanted to place. Here we need to place the printer. Print of which one? Print of which one? We need to place the node, and here we need to place what? Here we need to place what? Some space we need to provide. Next one. And another thing is the here we need to place what you wanted to place. Println we need to place. Yes. Now try to see this one again. Yeah. Team, please write the code for the printing the graph also. This code is used to print the graph. Now I hope if you do the coding up to now, then you can get the internal flow, guys. I'm sure you can get the flow, internal flow, you can get it. Now I will go for the main method. At that time, you can get the awareness of how the code will flow internally. Everyone need to declare the print graph method. Everyone do the coding for the print graph. Anyone created? Please give the confirmation. Does anyone completed? Don't worry. Even if you didn't understand the code, don't worry here. Because through the main method, you can get the clarity. Through the main method, you people can get the clarity. Fine. Now, what is the name of the class? Graph, na? Team, tell me, what is the name of the class? Graph, na? So, how to do it? Graph, here we need to place the G equal to graph G equal to which one? New graph. Automatically, we are able to create the object to the graph. So here we should be in a position we need to create an object to the graph. Graph G equal to what you wanted to place new graph of. New graph of 5. Team say this one. New graph of what? 5. How many vertices you wanted to create? 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 vertices. So team, can you tell this a 5 store to where? This a 5 store to where? Whatever the 5 we have, that a 5 store to that 5 store to V itself. The same 5 will store to where? Here itself. No, and another thing. And another thing is the, for example, now you people need to see this one here, and here you people need to see this one here. For example, this is one list. Na? Inside the list, how many array lists are there? 5. The list internally contain 5 array lists. Whatever the list we have, that list internally contain 5 array lists. Team, please try to understand this one here. You people need to say this one. Team, please tell me. You people need to tell. This is the 5, na? Yes, this is the 5. This 5 store to where? This V. Same 5 store to where? V. Team, finally it contain what? V contain what? 5. Whatever the V is there, that V contain 5. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? Team, respond. Am I right or not? Yes, it contain the 5. Next one. See the another thing here. One more thing is the, now this is the list, na? This list internally contain how many array lists? 5 array lists. Each array list is capable of holding what? Integer. Fine. Now, I hope you people need to understand like this here. Now, V value is, V is the, here we have the V here. V value is what? V is the 5. Whatever the V is there, that V is the 5 here. Whatever the V we have here, that V is the 5. Next one, and another thing. And one more thing is the, try to go through the another thing here. And one more thing is the, here we have the adjacent list. Na? Here we have the adjacent list. Here whatever the adjacent list is there. Whatever the adjacent list is there. Adjacent list is there. That adjacent list internally contain what? 5 array lists there. How many array lists? 5 array lists. Right. So it contain array list 1. It contain array list 2. Fine, we don't know. Array list 1. Next one is the array list 2. How many array lists are there? 5. Team, say this one. What is the V value? Chart with me, or at least you people need to chart with me. What is the V value? What is the V value? V value is the 5. Whatever the V we have, that V is the 5 here. Am I right or not? Next one. Here and another thing. And one more thing is the, try to go through the another thing here. Here we need to go through the another thing here. One more thing is the, coming to the adjacent list. Internally contain how many array lists? 5. Each array list is capable of holding what? Integer. So this is the point number one. Fine. Next one. Yeah. Here we need to go for the connections. Na? Here we need to go to the connections. Fine. Can you people tell me how to do the connection? Does anyone prepared the diagram? I think unnecessarily I deleted the diagram. Team see this one. 0 connected to whom? 0 connected to whom? 1 and 4 na? 0 connected to 1 and 4 are not. Reply are 0 connected to 1 and 4. How we need to do it? Here G dot add edge. G dot add edge. Add edge of which one? 0. Connected to whom? 1. And another thing. G dot add edge. Add edge of here which one? Add edge of which one? 0 comma 4. See this one. 0 1 store root to 0 1 store root to where? Reply. U contain 0. V contain V. Now here what happened? Adjacent list dot get off 0. 0 means first array list. Fine. First array list added to whom? Second array list. So the meaning is the 0. The meaning of it. The meaning of this one is the 0 added to 1. The meaning of the code. Guys, which one we need to add? 0. We need to add to whom? 1. Check the diagram. You people need to check the diagram. If you check the diagram, same thing will be there. 0 added to whom? 1. 0 added to whom? 4. Or anything. 1 connected to 0. 0 connected to 1 or 1 connected to 0. How we need to do it here? Here, see this one here. This is the 1. 1 connected to 0. Fine. Guys, I hope you people can get the clarity regarding this one. Clarity regarding this one. These 2 lines of code. Reply. Please reply. Please reply, team. Reply. You people can get the clarity now. Yes. Next one. And here and another thing is that at least a few members got the clarity na. Here this is the 0 na. 0 store root to where? U. This is the 1 na. 1 store root to where? V. 0 connected to 1. Meaning is the 0 connected to 1. And what is the meaning of it? 1 connected to 0. This is the meaning here. 0 connected to 1 and 1 connected to 0. Next one. 0 4. This is the 0. This is the 4. 0 connected to 4. 4 connected to 0. Then this is the point. Next one. Team, see the another thing here. One more thing we need to see here. Now coming to the 1. Team 1 connected to whom? 1 connected to 2. 1 connected to 3. 1 connected to 4. Am I right or not? How we need to do it? How we need to do it? Tell me here. Adjacent list dot get off what? 1. 1. 1 connected to whom? 2. Array. Now try to say this one here. Where I need to add it here? G dot add edge. To whom I need to connect? 1 comma 2. Next one. G dot add edge. To whom I need to connect? 1 2 3. Next one. G dot add edge. Add edge of 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 here. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Next one. This is also completed. Next one coming to the 2. You people need to tell 2 connected to whom? 2 connected to 3. 2 connected to only 3 na? Okay, fine. 2 connected to 3, but no need to go for the 1. 1 already connected na? And 2 to 3 and 3 connected to 4. Then make it as a fine. I think you can place remaining things also not an issue. G dot add edge. Add edge of which one? 2 comma 3. Next one. G dot add edge. Add edge of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. So based on the graph requirement, it's recommended to do this one. How to print the graph? G dot, which one we need to do? Print graph. Check our luck working or not. We need to check it. Now try to see this one. 0 connected to 1 and 4, 1 connected to 0, 2, 3, 4, 3 connected to 1, 2, 3, and 4 connected to 0, 1, 3, something. Fine. Team. Then students, please note down this code here. Take the pen and paper and trace out the code. Simple. It's not the difficult. But you people need to put some concentration to understand this one. Initially, you may not understand anything here. But while executing, it will come here. Mr. Yogesh Nagulkar. Yogesh Nagulkar, what's your problem? Man. Fine. Now try to see this one. Team, try to see this one. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. 0 connected to whom? 1 and 4. 0 connected to 1, 0 connected to 4. Now see this one. 1 connected to whom? 2, 3, 4. How we need to place it? 1 connected to 2, 1 connected to 3, 1 connected to 4. Next one. Coming to the 2, 2 connected to whom? 3. You may place like 2 connected to 1. You can place it also. I hope it's recommended to come from the drop down itself. 2 connected to whom? 3. 2 connected to 3. Next one. See this one. 3 connected to whom? 3 connected to 4. So finally, we need to print the graph. Fine. Students, please download that diagram. Please execute it. I'm requesting you people, please execute it. Everyone, team execute this one. Please raise the hand whoever able to complete it. Team, anyone completed? Can you please give the confirmation to me? Scroll down. What need to scroll down? The code will visible now, na? The code will be visible now. The code is visible now here. No need to scroll down. No. Students, whoever completed, can you write the code for this diagram? Can you please write the code for this diagram? Wait here. Please draw the diagram for this example. Yeah. Can you please draw the diagram for this code? Uh, write the code like g dot add edge. You know, na? For the same thing. Assume here, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think for our clarity, I'm saying here. This is what? 0. Or you may feel like anything here. Here you need to place this is the 0. Or 0. You may feel like 1. Can I make it as a 1? Here I wanted to make the 1. This one, what do you call? 2. I wanted to make the 2. This one we can call it as what? 3. This one we can call it as what? 4. 4. And this one we can call it as what? 0. Fine. Students, same example. I think no need to do any changes in the code. For this diagram, please draw the code. Please complete the code. Whatever the diagram visible on the screen. I'm requesting you, go to the, can I say the one thing? Can I say the one thing? For example, take the 0. 0 connected to whom? 0 connected to whom? 2 and 3, na? 2 and 3. So how you need to place it? We need to place like this. 0 connected to 2 and 3. How we need to handle? Let me do this one here. 0 connected to 2 and 3. How we need to place it? So go to the code. Once if you go to the code here, add edge 0, comma 3 and 0, comma 4. Here just you need to do the changes here. That's it. Not more than that one. Not more than that one. Do that one and show me the output. For this diagram, whatever the diagram we have, I shown one diagram to you. For this diagram, I'm expecting you people write the code. Everyone, then take the 10 to 15 minutes of time. I'm requesting you people complete it. Guys, really awesome, guys. But you people are able to do the coding with the graph also. Really wonderful. But if you are really done the efforts, everyone, I'm requesting you people draw the diagram for this one. Draw the code. Write the code for this diagram. Write the code and share it. Abhisha done already? You done this one, Abhisha? Yes, someone asked to show me the code. This is the code. Team, do the coding. Once done, show me the output also. Take the photo and share the screenshot to me. Can you share the code, sir? HOD, na? Someone share it. No, write the code. No, Pooja, write the code. Write the code with the ID and execute it and show me the result. Everyone, team, I'm expecting the output because wonderful example. Because assume here within the 10 days we are able to. Yes, sir, right. Someone shared the code. It's right. Within the 10 days of time, you people are able to write the code with the graph. It's a real because in the college level, it's a too much high. Someone shared the screen. Okay, fine. Thank you. Remaining people, please utilize the time. Team, share the screen. Whoever completed. Can I go through the another example or do I need to wait? Just to give the thumbs up symbol, how many members are completed? That assignment question. Only one member now. Do you people need the time or can I continue with the other example? Give the thumbs up symbol, guys. How many members are able to finish that assignment example? Can I go through other example? Okay, fine. This right code. Yes. So this is the right code. Someone shared the code. Okay, fine. No issue. Still, are anyone doing? If you people are doing, then I will wait. Otherwise, I don't want you to wait. Yes. Now, team, go through the one more example. I have an array. In that array, non-example. I have an array. In that array, I have the zeros and the non-zeros. Move all zeros to the right side. Whatever the zeros are there, all the zeros I need to move to the right side. So how we need to handle it? We should be in a position we need to handle it here. How we need to handle it? Fine. For example, I have one array. Let me download this example. Let me share this example. I hope it may helpful to you. Go through this one. We need to go through this one. No. Try to see this one. Here we need to place the. Here we need to place the. What you wanted to place, I need to take one array. How we can take the array here into array? Into array ARR equal to. Into array ARR equal to. Here we need to plus what we need to place 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Next one is the 3, 12. So this is the array. In this example, my requirement is. In this example, my requirement is all the zeros I need to move to the right side. Whatever the zeros are there, all the zeros I wanted to move to the right side. Fun. Team, can I do this one? How we need to handle this one? How we need to handle this one? Will you people help me? Int index equal to what? 0. Fine. Read each number for int num colon array. Int num colon array here. For example, if a given number not equal to 0, if a given number not equal to 0, whatever the number we have, that number not equal to 0, array of index plus plus equal to array of index plus plus equal to what you wanted to place number. So whatever the number is there, if it is not a 0, here you need to place what array. After placing into array, you need to increment the number. Fine. Next one. And here, so all the numbers placed. Now we need to check it. What we need to check? While I think we need to check the original array. Na? We need to check the original array. Index less than array dot length. Index less than array dot length here. For example, original length changed. So what we need to do at the time, we need to place. At the time, we need to place here array of index plus plus. Plus plus equal to we need to place the 0. Simply, we should be in a position, we need to place the 0 here. And another thing we need to do. Fine. Here we need to print it again. How we can print it? For int num colon array. Here how to print it? Print what you wanted to place num. Print what you wanted to place num. Yeah, see this one here 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. So whatever the zeros are there, all the zeros are moved to the right side. Fun. Team, just to do this one, I'm requesting you people please do this example also. Moving all the zeros to the right side. Main 6. The file name is the main 6. What I need to trace here, what I need to trace. Now try to see this one. For example, num contain what? Num contain what? Num contain 0. Fine. Is it true or false? False. So this code won't execute. Num contain what? 1. Is it true or false? True. If it is a true, in the 0th position, 1 will store. And after that, 0 converted to 1. 0 converted to 1. I think someone asked to trace it. I'm tracing it just to try to see this one. For example, initial what we have. Now you people need to tell initial what we have. 0 stored to 2. 0. Wait here. Now try to see this one. This is 0 stored to where whatever the 0 is that 0 stored to num. num. For example, after storing the 0 to the num, 0 not equal to 0, true or false? False. So next one, 1 stored to 2, whatever the 1 is there, 1 stored to 2 where? Num. So 1 not equal to 0, true. The condition is the true. No need to explain the tracing here. Already you know na, true. If it is a true, 1 stored to which position? 0th position. After storing, this is 0 converted to 1. Now index is what? 1. Next condition. 0 not equal to 0. False. 3. So 3 stored to first position. So 3 stored to first position and index converted to 2. Next one. 12. Is or not? 12 stored to second position and index converted to, and index converted to what? And index converted to 3. Now the index value is what? 3. Now, so output is the 1, 3, 12. Fine. Now coming to here, we need to say this one. What is the index value? 3. 3 less than, what is the array dot length? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 less than 4. If it is a 3 less than 4, here in the third position, which element will store? 0. 0 will store. After storing the 0, what is the value here? Once again, the value incremented to 4. 4. Now 4 less than 4. 4 less than 4. It's a fail here. Finally, we are able to say the one more 4. Fine. Now we need to print it up. Trim, try to check that one. Everyone, execute this code. Everyone, team, please execute this code. Everyone finish now. Everyone needed to do it. Yeah, it will insert the element. Later, the index will increment. Post increment. Neha. That one we can call the post increment. Neha, that one we can call the post increment. Like in element will insert. Later, it will increment. Pre-increment, post-increment, two things are there. Can I go to the one more simple example? Hello, team, can I go to the one more simple example? Reply, kindly reply here. Reply at least a chart with me. Can I go to the one more simple example? Can you please answer? Yes. How we need to do the one more example? Try to say this one. Known example, guys, in the previous class also already done, but let me do the one more example. Same example. Two sum, like find out the whose the sum equivalent to target. For example, try to say this one. For example, try to say this one. Here you people need to say this one. Yeah. Here say this one. Here we should be in a position we need to say this one. Inter A, inter A, ARR equal to inter array ARR equal to already we done team. 2 comma 7 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15. 2 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15 here. Fine. So what is the target value into target equal to? Into target equal to what? 9. So whose sum equivalent to 9? Whose sum? Like 2 plus 7, I wanted to know. How we need to know here. We should be in a position we need to know. Fine. Compare, add side by side elements. I'm requesting you, we need to add side by side elements. How we can add? For example, For how to take the iteration here, int I equal to, for int I equal to 0, for int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. I less than what we need to place array dot length. Next one, what you wanted to place, we should be in a position, we need to place the I plus plus. Here we should be in a position, we need to place the I plus plus. Try to say this one. For int I equal to 0, into I equal to 0, I less than array dot length. Next one is the I plus plus. So, and another thing is the, try to see the another thing here. We need to go through the J also. How we need to do the J here? For int J equal to, for int J equal to, what you wanted to place? For int J equal to I plus 1. I plus 1. Next one is the j less than what you wanted to place, array dot length. Array dot length. Next one. Here what you wanted to place, j plus plus. J plus plus. Here automatically we need to place it. Fine. Here we need to check it. How we need to check it? Here. Here what you wanted to place. Here what you wanted to place here. We should be in a position if array of I plus array of j equal to target. Equal to target, then we need to print it. How we need to print it? Here we need to go for the print. Print, here we need to place pair. Here we should be in a position, we need to go for the pair. So, which pair? We need to go for the pair. So, which pair? Here we need to go for the array of I. Array of I plus 1 is the, here what you wanted to place, we need to place the another thing here. Here what you wanted to place, array of j. So 2 comma 7. If you need only index setting, then go with the, just to go with the what? I, j. 0, comma 1. Fine. Team series one. Then we need to compare the side by side element, not more than that one. Do it this one also. Execute this coding also. I'm sharing this one also. Do the coding up to now. Anyone. I'm requesting you people, please do this one. Which link, Ankita? Which link, Ankita? Ankita, which link? Team, anyone completed? Can I go through the one more simple example? 2 to 3 lines of example. Can I go through this one? Can I go through this one with the predefined methods? Tell me, can I do the one simple example? Atika Bhanu Sheikh. Which link not opening? Atika Bhanu. Team, let me go for the one more simple example. I wanted to go for one more simple example, like whether the substring present or not, we need to check it. Fine. How we need to do it? How we need to do it here? Here we need to place it. String main equal to string main equal to, here we need to place the string main equal to, here we need to place what you wanted to place, data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms. So we need to place the, here we need to place the same thing here. Fine. And another thing is the, here we need to place another thing. String main sub equal to structures. Check whether the structure is available or not. I need to check whether the structures available in main or not. I'm doing with the predefined functions. Later you can try with the your own. For example, here we need to place here what you wanted to place, main dot contains, main dot what, main dot contains, main dot contains of which one, sub, main dot contains of sub. So then what you wanted to place, yes, it contains substring. Next. Now tell me here which one here, no, 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 substring not found, substring not found. Now run the code. It's not there, no contains method not there, no check the spelling here. TAINS. Yes, yes, it contains a substring. Yes, sir. Team, do this one with the ready-made method. Anyone completed? Once completed, then I need to go for the one more simple example. Still, we have the 10 minutes of time now. Then I need to go for the one more simple example. Let me share this one. No. Team, can I go through the one more example or do I need to wait? Students, can I wait? Students, can I wait? Can I wait or can I go to the one more example? No. Students, see this one. I have one string. Okay, man. Nagesh, okay, do it. Team, can I go through the last example? One more example. Simple example, just to 5 lines of code. Convert uppercase characters to lowercase character. Lowercase characters to uppercase character. Simple example. Can I do that one? Just a matter of 3 minutes. Can I do that one, team? Yes. For example, I have one string. Try to say this one. I have one string. String str equal to just 5 lines of code, not more than that one. For example, here I have one string. In this string, I have, like for example, I have the DSA, DSA 123. But what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting DSA 123. So this is the output I'm expecting. Fine. Team, we need to append the result. To append the result, here what we need to do, in order to append the result, we need to take one predefined object, then that object we can call the string builder. String builder, here we need to place result equal to string builder result equal to what you want to place. We need to place the new string builder. Automatically, we are able to create the object. String builder result equal to new string builder. Automatically, we are able to create the object. Next one, read character by character for for what you wanted to place. For what you wanted to place, char ch. Char ch equal to what you wanted to place, str dot. Str dot here which one? To char array. Str dot which one you wanted to place? To char array. See this one. For char ch equal to str dot to char array. Now, for example, if check each character, character dot is character dot is uppercase. Character dot which one here is uppercase of ch. For example, if the given character is uppercase, if the given character is uppercase, we need to append it to whom? Result data. Result dot which one we need to place append. Result dot append of we need to convert it to lowercase. How we can convert it to lowercase? Character dot which one? To lowercase. Character dot to lowercase of which one we need to place ch. Here simply we need to place a ch here. Fine. Now here we need to go to the another thing. Else if. Else if here we need to place the what you wanted to place. Else if what you wanted to place here we should be in a position. Is lowercase. Is lowercase. Now here we need to place what you wanted to place. Result dot append of. Result dot append of. Result dot append of what? Result dot append of here we have another thing here. What we have here? Result dot append of to uppercase. Here we should be in a position we need to place the to uppercase. To uppercase here. Now else. Team else in the sense what? Else. Here we need to append the asterisk thing. Result dot. Result dot append of asterisk character. No. After that, we need to print it. After the for loop, we need to print it. How we can print it? Println of what you wanted to print str. Not str, result we need to print. We should be in a position we need to print the result. Yes. For example, check. Is it a uppercase? Converted to what? Lowercase. Is it a lowercase? Converted to what? Uppercase. Else append the character. Fine. Now, Tim, just to do this one. Everyone team, I'm requesting everyone, please execute this one also. Let me download this code also. Whatever the code we have, this code also I need to download. Append doesn't what append doesn't adding man, Nagesh. Append does means it will add it, not more than that one. Mr. Nagesh, append in the sense it will add it here. Anyone finished? Can I end the meet or can I cover the one more 2 lines of code? Priya Bonta. Okay, now fine. Whoever completed, you can drop it. Whoever completed the execution, I'm requesting you people, you can drop it. Anyone completed? Here, team, I think whoever there in the call, what's the next topic you are expecting? Can I cover on Monday dynamic programming? One day I will cover dynamic programming. Next day I will cover the recursion. Can you please chat with me? What are the topics you people are expecting from you? What are the different topics you people are expecting from me? Can you please chat with me? Try to chat with me based on that one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days I will plan it. Topics. Someone please try to do that one. Utika Banu. Can anyone chat with me? Topics, friends. Which topic you people are expecting from me? Next to 3 to 4 days. Now, can I cover DP, dynamic programming? Monday, I will cover the dynamic programming. Next, I will cover the recursion. Next to 2 days, then let me work with the tool like a lead code or a hacker rank tools I need to work here. DP, recursion and dynamic programming, yes. Did you learn something through this training? Give the confirmation. Did you people learn something? Did you get some knowledge, at least basic level knowledge? Yeah. Whoever completed, you can drop it. Your man, you can learn hacker rank, no issue. Please complete the code. Yeah, you can drop it. Ma'am, you can end the meeting. Amar, you can end the meeting. Hello, Amar, you can end the meeting. Susmita, please end the meeting.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you. Yeah, so dear student, after tomorrow we don't have a session. So we'll meeting again on Monday. Okay, thank you all for joining. Good night.